now walking in the MTR, one of the MTR stations in Hong Kong. And this is a simple MTR station. It's not even their central. Kita niyo itong mga mural na to. 3D, di ba? Carved from wood. Hindi lang basta-basta painting. Hindi siya mukhang graffiti at all. Parang ganda-ganda ng mga istasyon dito sa Hong Kong. Yan. They really take the trouble na pagandahin. Hindi lang siya simpleng painting, ha? Parang siyang carved. Talagang carved siya. 3D ang dating. Galing. Nakaaliw.